I'm making horse Yukhoe.
This is a dish called Yukhoe. I didn't know Yukhoe originated in Korea until I did my research for this episode. We live and learn. And yes, I'm currently addicted to eating raw horse. And never in my life I thought I would say I'm addicted to horse meat. But there's so many cuts to try out. They even have kalbi. And if you know, kalbi is one of the best cuts of any meat. So Yukhoe is basically meat tartar with more finesse. Normally we add whatever condiments we want. This time around I added sesame oil, gochujang, sesame seeds, scallions, garlic, and some of that magical white powder for a better experience. And to top it off, we need a raw egg. Let me know in the comments down below if you ever had Yukhoe and would you have this, and I'll see you in the next one.